How to check notification history on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can check notification history on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, swipe down from the top. There you'll see Notification Center. Whenever you're in your lock screen, it should look something like this. If you're on your lock screen, all you have to do is swipe up from the middle of the lock screen like this, and you should be able to see all of your notification history. So yeah, you can scroll to see older notifications as well, and yeah, you can just swipe left to clear it out as well. You'll also see a cross option right besides Notification Center. You can tap on that to clear out all of the notification all at once. Now you'll also need to ensure notifications are viewable. To do that, you'll need to head over to your settings. So go to settings, and after you're on your settings, you'll need to scroll down, tap on Face ID and password, type in your passcode. After you type in your passcode, you should find Allow Access When Locked option. So scroll down. You should be able to find everything related to your notifications. So there you'll see Allow Access When Locked section. Make sure that you've turned on Notification Center and everything else. And doing that, you should be able to check notification history on your iPhone even when you're locked. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye.